Here's some AI news you probably won't hear about. Today, my friend told me that she lost access to her ChatGPT Plus account, so a paying account. And out of the blue, she got an email saying that her account access has been revoked, no reason given, and she cannot really appeal because her account is not working. And she's been essentially using ChatGPT to help her with her programming job. So nothing illegal whatsoever. And 5 minutes later, I read a LinkedIn post from Timnit Gebru, a phenomenal AI ethics researcher you should definitely follow. And she's talking about how her organization received an email from a student who got flagged for AI plagiarism. And that student did all the work themselves, and they have no idea why they were flagged. Again, no reason given. And there's recently actually been research that if you are a non-native speaker, you are more likely to get flagged for AI plagiarism. So maybe that's something that was involved, but we don't really know because there's really no transparency in this type of products. If you are a content creator, either on TikTok or other platforms, you've probably experienced that as well. So some algorithm somewhere decides you're doing something that violates the terms and conditions, your access is cut off, and then good luck with complaining. Well, this is already a big problem, and it's only getting bigger as we introduce AI and algorithmic decision making in tools and products we use for work. Imagine you're a designer and you use obviously Figma for your work, and suddenly your access to Figma is cut off because you get mislabeled as working on some illegal design graphics thing, right? Or if you're a programmer and you lose access to GitHub because an algorithm decides your code is doing something dangerous and it's all false. And really, you have no clue on what rules you've violated. The appeal process is usually slow or broken in some way. And yeah, it's only going to become a bigger problem. So what can you do about it? Well, essentially, we have to be really loud about it and talk about it. Share these stories, repost them, reblog them in whatever way you can. An increasing number of just regular users are getting flagged with no idea why. We need more transparency and we need faster appeal processes, especially when it comes to tools that we're now using for our study and work, or even if you make a living as a content creator, obviously the same applies. So once again, let's keep talking about it. Let's make some noise, share your stories, share the stories of your friends who maybe don't have a platform, and let's demand that these companies take greater responsibility in becoming more transparent and put more humans in the loop so we're not being constantly flagged and judged only by algorithms.